What's up guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video we're going to be modifying the Wahl Cordless Senior. So welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do, how I said, we're going to upgrade the Wahl Seniors. What we're going to do is this: we're going to change the lid, we're going to change the front, and we're going to use this, and we're also going to change the battery, and we're going to use this. So let's go ahead and start. But before we start, I'm going to show you what we're going to need. So we're going to need the Wahl Seniors, obviously, because we need the clipper. We're also going to need tools, right? We need screwdrivers so we can do everything we need. We're going to need the lid that we're going to use. This is by Stay Gifted, by Matt Gifted Hands. Thank you so much for sending this my way. I love it. It's transparent, clear. I love it. It's going to look super cool on my seniors. And we're also going to need the upgrade battery from 245 for the Wahl Seniors. I'm super pumped for this just because this clipper is a little bit older. It's the first batch, so the battery doesn't last as long anymore. So I'm super pumped to have a new battery. This one is actually bigger, so it's going to give me more power. So I'm all happy for that. So let's go ahead and start doing all this. I think we're going to start with the lid first. Oh, we actually no. We're going to. No, that makes no sense. That makes no sense. So we're gonna change the battery first, and then we're gonna add the lid at the end. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, sometimes I don't get it.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
For the record. For the record. For the record.
So this is the final result. I'm super happy the way it looks. It literally like just changed the whole clipper. It looks like a brand new clipper. I love the clear design. I think it's super cool. And you know, we're gonna try the battery. What I'm gonna do is that in a couple of months I will do a review of this battery just to make sure that I use it enough. And I have another seniors, there's brand new, so I'm gonna use both and see which one lasts longer and all that, so I can give you guys my honest opinion. Before I go, I just want to say thank you to Tomb45, to Matt Gifted Hands for sending me this, because honestly it looks super dope. And that's it guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.